Hi, I'm Craig Phillips. Welcome to my top trade secrets. In this video, I'm going to show you how to effectively use 3C's HM Sealant in and around your house. It is a high modular sealant, which means it has movement accommodation with a capacity of 25% in accordance to the industry standard. It's available in various different colours to include white, grey and clear, with more colours to be added in the future. It's perfect to use in bathrooms, shower rooms and kitchens in particular. So I'm going to be using it to reapply this bath panel. Now it's been on for about 3 years and just the other day my daughter basically pulled it away. And as you can see, the silicone along here, which is 3 years old now, has failed. It needs to be removed, cleaned so it's bone dry, and then it can be resealed and fixed back into position. And use a silicone wipe to clean off the bath panel. To correctly use your HM sealant, take a trimmer knife and cut the top of the tube open. Then screw on the nozzle. Trim the end at an angle and then you're ready to use. Now I'm going to put 2 lines here, one right on the underside edge of the bath, which will actually sit on top of this batten that's on there. And then I'm going to put another good thick line across the actual batten itself, because the back of the panel will push up against this nice and tight and the top edge of it will hook on top of that batten. The acid curing silicone ensures that it has a very fast curing time, as well as being long-lasting fungicide, meaning it has excellent resistance to mould. Firmly press the panel against the wooden batten with the sealant on to make sure it grabs. You may need to use some plastic window packers to hold the panel into position until the sealant cures. Using your silicone wipes, clean off the excessive sealant before it dries. Some of the other items that required sealing in our bathroom was the toilet pan. I'm using the white sealant where the toilet is mounted to the wall tiles. This time I'm using the grey sealant around the vanity unit that houses our sink. I'm also going to be using the clear HM sealant around the base of my shower screen, both on the inside and the outside. It's really easy to apply and to tool off. So whilst the clear sealant is drying on our shower screen, I'm going to be applying some white around our UPVC window in our utility room. It's where the frame meets the plasterwork and the tiles on the floor. In our bar area, we have aluminium bifolding doors leading to our balcony. So I used the white HM to seal between the aluminium frame and the painted doorstep. Now the sealant is dry, I can remove the packs from below. Then there is our bath itself. Now this had been sealed again 3 years ago, however it was developing some mould on there. So I cut it all out using a trimming knife, cleaned it up with a silicone wipe, then I applied some masking tape on the bath and the tile because I knew I was applying a nice thick line of the sealant and I wanted to smooth this off. Now if you're doing this for the very first time, I'd advise putting some weight in the bath, maybe fill it up halfway with water before you apply your sealant. Our bath is sitting onto a concrete slab and we'd already screwed and fixed it to the wall from the underside. So once I put my sealant on, I smoothed it off with my finger and then removed the masking tape straight away before it dried. Then you can get your silicone wipe your fingers up again and give it a final smoothing off. For the finishing touches, I applied the clear HM down the edge of the shower screen frame where it meets the tiles. That's my bathroom now sealed and complete. When it comes to areas of consistent or intermittent high humidity, such as bathrooms, shower rooms and kitchens, anti-mold additives are the most important feature. 3C's HM has the perfect fungicide formula to help combat this problem. Now, if you're looking for more inspiration or how-to videos, check us out on all social media handles and subscribe to our YouTube channel. But if you just want to know more about 3C's vast range of products, check out their website.